He says, my question is, Huzur, what is life? What is the meaning of life?
You don't understand the meaning of life? It has two meanings. One meaning is for those who are materialists. For them, the life is only eating and drinking and pleasure seeking and death. And for those who believe in God, life is only a trial here. You live so that God can try you in different situations, in happiness, in sorrow, in poverty, in richness, in opulence. You are tried how you deal with these situations. So for that, for the believers, life is a sort of examination for them. The result of this examination sometimes is disclosed here on this earth as well, but certainly on the day of judgment, the results will be shown to everybody. Right?